everyone. This problem is from class 10 science, chapter 2, optics book back problem, second sum. Question is, an object of height 3 centimeter is placed at 10 centimeter from concave lens of focal length 15 centimeter. Find the size of the image. So here they are asking us to find the size of the image. So first we will write out the given. Focal length f is equal to minus 10 centimeter because இங்க யூஸ் பண்றது concave lens. Concave lensனால நம்ம focal length negative எடுத்துப்போம். So minus 15 centimeter and my object is minus 10 centimeter object distance and we கொடுக்கல image distance கொடுக்கல and they have given the height of the object 3 centimeter. So first we have to find out the image distance. So what is the lens formula? 1 by f is equal to 1 by v minus 1 by u. So like it similarly to the previous problem, 1 by f means minus 1 by minus 15 is equal to 1 by v minus of 1 by u is minus 10. So minus into minus plus then அப்படியே solve பண்ணுங்க. 1 by v is equal to minus 1 by 15 and 1 by 10 அந்த பக்கம் left side போயிடுச்சுன்னா என்ன ஆகும்? minus ஆயிடும். So minus 1 by 10. So again cross multiplication, minus 10 minus 15 divided by 150. So 1 by v is equal to minus to minus plus about 25. So minus 25 by 150. If you solve means 5 5s are 25, then 3 5s are 15, 30. Then again 1 5 is 5, 6 5s are 30. So the answer is minus, minus. So minus 1 by 6, which is 1 by v is equal to minus 1 by 6. So when you take reciprocal, therefore v is equal to v another image distance. So image distance v is equal to minus 6 centimeter. So we found out image distance. Next we wanted to find out the size of the image. அப்போ magnification formula நம்ம எடுப்போம். m is equal to v by u is equal to h dash by h. h dash is image size by object size. Image size by object size. So now v கண்டுபிடிச்சுக்கொள்ள minus 6 by u என்னது minus 10 is equal to h dash. We don't know image size தான் நம்ம கண்டுபிடிக்க சொல்லிருக்காங்க. So image size by object size என்னது 3 cm given type. So 3. Now we have to normal cross multiply. 6 3s are 18. So minus 18 by minus 10 is equal to h dash. அப்ப இங்க என்ன ஆகும்? minus minus will get cancelled. Minus minus cancel ஆயிடும். 18 by 10 னா அப்ப என்னது h dash is equal to decimal 1.8 centimeter. So here size of the image is h dash is equal to 1.8 centimeter.